That's a spicy carrot! Who knew orange torpedoes could taste so good? I'm Schuey, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deep fry carrots. I can hear you all saying to yourself, "What's up, Doc? Relax, we're doing these in a barbecue." So just sit back, grab a drink or two and let's get into it. You'll need to find yourself some smaller variety carrots, like these ones, and peel them and place them in a receptacle. Now you don't have to peel them if you don't really want to, but yes you do. Next up, the carrots need to go on a steamer. I always add lemon juice when steaming veggies to create a nice infused flavour. I'm going to let these steam away for 10 minutes before checking them for doneness. Once you can easily poke a fork in them, bingo, they're done! Who thought you'd be learning to steam veggies in a barbecue video? It's skewering time, and we all know what that means. It's time to stab each carrot with a skewer, making it a rabbit lollipop. Yes, I know I'm using wooden skewers this time. It's okay. I didn't want the vegetables ruining my metal ones. It's time to prep the coating that we're going to be using with these non-protein skewers. Now you can use plain flour, and every cup you'd want to add 2 tablespoons of your favourite BBQ Rub. Or like me, you can use a pre-made chicken coating like this Atomic Hot and Spicy. So just add 1/4 cup to one bowl and 2 cups to another. Throw in some beer with the 2 cups and whisk it up until you get a smooth batter consistency. Beer in our food, I'm just trying to up the beer timer for all of you. I'm going to be using a 57cm Weber kettle today, and I'm going to be pairing it up with a Kettle Kone and a wok. Why? Because I want to be frying at temps of 180 degrees Celsius today. Once they're all ashed over, I'll place my Kettle Kone upside down in the middle of the charcoal grate, and I'll dump the fuel into it. I'll then place my gourmet grill back in place, and then I'll add my Weber wok. And then I'll add about 2 cups of rice bran oil to the wok. If you don't have the gourmet grate or the Weber wok, get them, they're awesome. By all means, you could use a fry pan, or if you need to, you could do these in your kitchen. Using a deep fryer, I'm not suggesting you drag your Weber into your house. It's time to coat the anti-meat kebabs. Firstly in the dry rub, and just make sure they're all fully coated and tap off any excess. And then we just dunk them into the wet batter. Just shake off the excess wet batter and pop them in the hot oil until they're golden and crispy. Now would be a great time to subscribe to my channel, and while you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button will notify you every time I decide to fry veggies. Today I'm cooking with a high direct heat using cooking oil, and these vegan sausages will only take a couple of minutes to fry up. Or for those of you who like to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Vegan sausages, sometimes I make myself laugh. The veggie corn dogs are done, so we just need to get them out of the hot oil. Just place them on a plate and let them cool down for a minute or two. Or shove them straight in your face hole and burn your mouth. It's totally your choice. These are seriously that good, they should be illegal. As always, cheers for watching.